Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Meet the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. It's rumored to feature a powerful 200-megapixel telephoto camera capable of delivering zoom performance that feels almost like looking through a telescope at 20x magnification. On top of that, its video recording capabilities are drawing plenty of attention as well. In this video, we're putting it through a variety of outdoor tests to see what it can really do in real-world situations.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The first thing that caught my attention outdoors was Huawei's signature orange-inspired color design. When sunlight reflects off the gradient finish on the back, it creates a beautiful glow that resembles a sunset. The overall look is incredibly stylish and eye-catching. Huawei definitely knows how to make a phone stand out. Now let's get to the star of the show, the 200-megapixel telephoto camera. Time for a real test. For some context, I'm standing roughly 40 meters away from that tower. With most smartphones, details at this distance tend to disappear. But the Pura 90 Pro Max comes equipped with a massive 1.128-inch sensor and a 200-megapixel RYYB telephoto sensor. Specs are one thing, but the actual results matter most, so let's check them out. As we zoom in, the level of detail becomes immediately obvious. This isn't some edited or enhanced image. To make the difference even clearer, we also compared it side by side with a competing smartphone. Despite the Pro Max branding, this device delivers imaging performance that outclasses many other phones on the market. The color reproduction is impressive, and both the image quality and stabilization performed beyond expectations. What makes this camera even more exciting is that it's not limited to long-distance photography. One of the biggest advantages of shooting at 200 megapixels is the freedom to crop a single image into multiple compositions. Essentially, one high-resolution photo can give you several different shots. This is especially useful when traveling. Instead of worrying about framing every detail perfectly in the moment, you can capture the scene first and fine-tune the composition later at home. The incredible detail remains available even after significant cropping. Now, let's move on to video recording. A lot of people enjoy filming animals at the zoo. The challenge is that animals are usually far away. Imagine trying to record a monkey sitting on a distant structure. Normally, once you zoom in, the footage becomes soft and pixelated. The Pura 90 Pro Max introduces a new chip-level 200-megapixel raw processing technology with real-time computational enhancement. In simple terms, when recording at 20x zoom, the phone doesn't just enlarge the image digitally. Instead, the chipset continuously processes and optimizes the footage in real time to preserve image quality. Just look at the clarity and stability of the video. It also features CIPA 7.0 level image stabilization, which represents one of the highest standards currently available in the industry. What's even more impressive is that this footage was captured handheld without any external stabilizer. Even so, the monkey's facial expressions remain clearly visible. When compared directly with footage from competing devices, the difference is immediately noticeable. But the testing doesn't stop there. Next, we headed to a live music venue to see how the camera performs in a challenging concert environment. I was positioned in the back section, approximately 70 to 80 meters behind the front row. Using both the Pura 90 Pro Max and a competing smartphone, I recorded video at 20x zoom. The results speak for themselves. Details, color accuracy, and stabilization are on a different level. The Pura 90 Pro Max clearly captures the performer's facial expressions, clothing details, and stage presence. Even the colorful stage lighting is reproduced accurately and naturally. In comparison, the competing phone struggles to keep up. Honestly, with the Pura 90 Pro Max, it almost feels like you're standing in the front row regardless of where you're actually filming. The overall video quality is genuinely impressive. Now, let's talk about something even more interesting: selfies. Everyone has heard of self-driving cars. Combine AI with a vehicle and you get a system that can assist or even replace an experienced driver. Now, imagine applying that same concept to photography. AI-powered photography feels like having both a professional photographer and an editor built directly into your smartphone. Instead of forcing users to manually adjust complicated settings, the phone analyzes the scene on its own and suggests the best approach automatically. All you need to do is tap the shutter. From framing and composition to color optimization and beauty adjustments, the phone handles the work for you. Think about how people used to take selfies before these intelligent features existed. Now, take a closer look. Same person, same location, same background, and the same live streaming environment. Yet the difference between using AI-assisted recommendations and shooting without them is surprisingly large. What makes this system even smarter is that the recommendations aren't random. The AI can recognize whether you're standing or sitting, identify the props you're holding, evaluate the surrounding lighting conditions, and even analyze the left and right balance of the frame. Based on all of that information, it creates personalized composition suggestions tailored to the scene. The feature works with both the front and rear cameras, making it useful no matter how you prefer to shoot.
In other words, you can simply hand your phone to someone else and the on-screen line drawing will guide them to position you correctly for the shot. It's almost like having a built-in photography coach. There's also a hidden feature that makes things even more interesting: custom pose guidance. Let's say you come across a photo of IO Chef and want to recreate the exact same pose. Just import the image and the phone will automatically generate a line art guide, helping you match the pose with ease. And once you've captured your photo, don't forget to try the 3D dynamic image feature. It creates a stunning bullet time style effect with a virtual camera moving around the subject, making the highlights appear to rotate in a dramatic way. The result feels far more immersive and eye-catching than a standard GIF. That's really the idea behind X-MAGE direct shooting. It turns your smartphone into both a photographer and an editor. You don't need to know anything about framing, composition, or color grading. And if you're unsure how to pose, that's not a problem either. The phone helps with that too. All you have to do is tap the shutter button and it takes care of the rest. Another highlight is its anti-reflective display performance. Combined with the impressive Kunlun glass, visibility remains excellent even under strong sunlight. Just look at the screen outdoors at midday. The composition and details are still easy to see, making shooting much more convenient. Signal performance is another area where Huawei continues to excel. Even in crowded environments, I was able to send videos and photos through WeChat noticeably faster than many competing smartphones. That strong connectivity has always been Huawei's strength. Battery life is equally impressive. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery paired with 100-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging, the phone easily lasts throughout the day. Powering everything is the 9030S chipset, which delivers excellent performance and has been specially optimized for imaging tasks. Through deep integration between hardware, software, and cloud-based processing, the device provides a true flagship-level experience. As for pricing, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max starts at 6,499 yuan in China, which is approximately £705 in the UK and around $953 in the United States for the base version. So, after spending some time with it, my biggest takeaway is that the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max feels like a phone that understands what you want to capture and helps you achieve it. The telephoto camera isn't just there to look impressive on a spec sheet, it genuinely performs like a pocket-sized telescope. These features aren't marketing tricks, they actually help you create better photos and videos. The world doesn't need to be perfect to be beautiful. Most of the time, we're simply moving too fast to notice the moments around us. Great technology works quietly in the background, helping us preserve those brief memories before they disappear. It transforms photography from something reserved for galleries into something anyone can experience with a single press of the shutter button. At a time when smartphone prices continue to rise, Huawei's decision to keep the Pura 90 series competitively priced and even lower the price compared to expectations feels like a genuine effort to offer value. If you enjoy going out, love documenting your experiences, and want flagship-level photography without carrying a dedicated camera, this is definitely a phone worth considering. I'll be uploading a detailed comparison between the Pura 90 Pro Max and other flagship smartphones very soon. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!